In this video I'm going to show you how to get classic car in GTA 5. So here is the classic car. It's a very nice vehicle. It's a fancy old ancient classic car. It has some sort of two wheels on the sides, and it has a traditional seal like head thing, and then when you drive it, it's actually fast, like it's not slow. Oh, my bad. So anyways, let's download the mod. So first you need to open a Google Chrome and type this down. Type down this mod and download it. Then type down script hook v, then download it. Now go to downloads and open your GTA 5 folder. Now open this folder, copy these three folders, copy them and paste them here. Then copy these two folders and paste them here. And now make sure you turn on launch options and you write -no battle I. So to activate the classic car mod, you press F8 and then you select vehicle options, vehicle spawner, and choose sports classics. Down here you're gonna go down, and I think it should be in this section here. So if you go all the way down, you should be able to find it, and it's this one. So press F8 again, and there you go. Now you have your awesome classic vehicle. So if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more mods similar to this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.